For the large sides of this French Provincial dresser, what I did was work fairly quickly. I applied a good amount of paint onto the sides, not so much worrying about smoothing it out until the very end. Again, this paint self-levels really beautifully, so it's such a pleasure to work with. And once all the paint is applied, then I go back and smooth everything out from top to bottom, so it's a perfectly smooth finish. Once I had the front and the sides totally completely painted, it was time to move on to the top. I let the dresser dry overnight and I came back the next morning to add some drawer detail.